Hello, Junior T. How are you today? Okay, today we're going to keep on learning about telling the time. Like, what's the time? And now you can answer. It is, you take a look at your watch, the one that you have on your wrist or on the clock, and you say, well, it's 8 o'clock, 12 o'clock, half past 2, half past 4. Okay, so far you know o'clock and half past. Let's take a look at what we are going to learn today. So, as we said before, when the long hand is on number 12, we say o'clock, okay? And when the long hand is on number 6, that is half past. So far, so good. Okay, today we are going to learn quarter past and quarter to. So, as you can see, the yellow part of our clock, it says past, okay? That means that the time and the long hand, the minute hand, it starts on number 12, okay? And then we will start moving towards the right. First 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. And when the long hand is here, it means that this amount of minutes have passed from the beginning of the hour, okay? So when we say, let's say quarter past, it means that a quarter of that time has gone by. That's why we say past, because it has passed already. Okay, then we have got the other part of the clock. 2. The red part, it means 2. So whenever you have the long hand in the red part, we say 2. Quarter to, okay? Then we are going to learn how to say it in different ways. But first of all, let's remember, long hand on the right, from 1 to 6, it's past. And from 6 to 12 is 2. Let's take a look at these examples. Here, so when the minute hand is in number 3, we say a quarter past, okay? So everything that goes on this side is past. Now we're going to learn only when it goes to number 3. So the minute hand goes to number 3, and here we can say past, okay? It is a quarter past, and then the number. It is a quarter past, and as you can see here, the hour hand is pointing at 11. So a quarter past 11. It is a quarter past 11. Okay? Here I wrote these to help you. So a quarter, first of all, and then we need to say past or 2 and the number. A quarter past 11 in this case. Good. Let's take a look at this one, the red one. Everything that is on this side, on the left side is 2. So when the minute hand is in number 9, when the long hand is in number 9, we say a quarter to. A quarter to. Remember that the part that is 2 is getting to a new hour. Okay, getting to a new hour. So it is a quarter to 2, to number 2. And as you can see, the shorthand, the hour hand, is not exactly on number 2. It's reaching, it's getting there. It's going to be number 2. So here we have got a quarter to 2. It's the one that is going to be. Remember that all clocks move clockwise. They move to the right, okay? So it's going to be 2. Good. Let's take a look at these examples. So let's remember, when the minute hand, the long hand, is in number 3, we say a quarter past, okay? So it is a quarter past 8. A quarter past 8. We say a quarter, then we say, is it 2 or past? And then we say the number, okay? So a quarter past, and then we take a look at the shorthand, 8. And then let's do the same with 2. We start with a quarter to or past. Here it's 2. A quarter to what? time is it going to be? Well, here it's going to be 8. So it is 7:45. It is going to be 8 o'clock. Good. Okay, so here we have got today's work. So what's the time? Look at the clocks and write the time in words, okay? Remember to start with it is. So, and I included the little cloud here to remember that you have to start with 1/4 or past and then the number. Let's do number 1, so you have it done already. Let's take a look at number 1. Good. So let's start. I'll start right here. So you have it written down and it's easier for you. There. Okay, I'll start with it is. Oh, the other way around. There. It is 1/4. Is it past or 2? Past or 2? I think it's past because we said that everything that is going this way is past. So 1/4 past. And which is the number that the shorthand is pointing at? Well, 2. So it is 1/4 past 2. There. Easy peasy. Okay, so that is done. Let's take a look at the second activity. The second activity, it's multiple choice. So look at the clocks and choose the correct time. So first of all, you need to take a look at the clock. Let's do the first one together. So here, let's take a look at the long hand that is pointing at number 6 and the short hand that is between 10 and 11. Remember that here we also have got o'clock, 1/2 past, 1/4 past, and 1/4 okay? So option number A, letter A, it is 11, 11, let's take, not sure. B, it is 10, well, that could it be? And C, it is 6. Not really, because the shorthand, the hour hand, is between 10 and 11. So it's not 11 because the hour hand is not pointing exactly at 11. So it must be 10. It is 10, B. Okay, good. So whenever you're done, you send us your work and we'll send it back. See you around. Bye-bye.